the government recommended that people should practice hand washing at each and every point, whether home, markets, and all the areas around. With this regard, it has been observed that 3/4 of us were not following these instructions properly. Sometimes we are just doing it for the sake of doing it, not as to clean our hands thoroughly. I observed in some instances in town where people would just go soak their hands without making sure that their hands are clean. Off they go just like that. With this regard, this will increase the outbreak, thereby the numbers will not drop where as recommended by the government, it will just increase. Therefore, I would like to demonstrate on how a proper hand washing is done. There I start. I'll soak my hands like this, get soap, wet it a bit, make lather. After making enough lather, I make sure that the lather is enough. There I'll start doing like this on the upper arms, in the middle fingers, on the nails, like this. They're off in the circular manner. On the other hands, then rinse my hands. This should not take more time to do it. For as long as you are doing it on the running water, like this, my hands are very clean. If you will not do this on running water in a basin, just make sure that someone pours water for you, not just like that on the basin, meaning you are just rubbing yourself with the same microbacteria. Therefore, I'll end this demonstration here. Thank you so much. Love you all, Zambians.